Afternoon, everybody. I'm extremely sorry for the delay that we had, but this is one of the first press conferences that is happening, and we're just waiting for all the jury members to come here, and that's how we got a little delayed. Apologies on my part. So just to begin, welcome to all of you to the 51st edition of the IFFI, which, as we all know, is happening in the hybrid format. Even as we are sitting now, this program is not even being is also being witnessed by all of you, but also being telecast live virtually. So today we have the acclaimed jury of the Indian Panorama with us. And Indian Panorama, as you know, is one of the most watched section in India at the IFFI. So we have Mr. John Matthew Mathang. He's the chairperson of the Indian Panorama Feature Films. And we have Paban Kapoor, the chairman of the Indian Panorama non-feature film categories. And Jadumani Datta, another celebrated member of the jury, who is also sitting with us. And we have the other jury members who are sitting here in the first row amongst the audience, and I'm going to name all of them now. So just to introduce, to start with it, that the feature film jury consists of about 12 members and is headed, as I told you, by the filmmaker, screenwriter, and producer John Matthew Mathang, who's sitting on the dais with me. And he's a filmmaker. Everybody knows that for his 1919 Bollywood film, Sarfarosh. And he started his career as an assistant director on the epic movie Gandhi, which was directed by Sir Richard Attenborough. And he has also some popular feature films to his credit. And the other feature jury members are Dominic Sangama, Jadumani Datta, he's here with us, Kala Master, Kumar Sohani, Rama Vij, I can see ma'am, Rama Murthy, Sangamitra Chaudhary, Sanjay Puran Singh Chauhan, Satyendra Mohan, Sudhakar Vasanta, T. Prasanna Kumar, and U. Radhakrishnan. So that was the list of the jury of the feature film section. And now we have the jury of the non-feature film section, which is headed by the documentary filmmaker, a very, very celebrated documentary filmmaker from Manipur, Mr. Paban Kumar. Northeast is very close to my heart. I've stayed in Northeast for about 3 years. So he's the chairperson of the Indian Panorama non-feature film section of the 51st IFFI. Kumar's film and documentaries have been screened in several places across the globe. And his debut feature film, Lady of the Lake, won the National Film Award for Best Film on Environment Conservation, which is such an important topic for us all over the world, during the 64th National Awards 2016. He has also won the German Star of India at the 14th Indian Film Festival in Stuttgart, Germany for his film in 2017. And Kumar's documentary in 2006 was one of the highly critical and widely acclaimed film. His other films include The First Leap, Mr. India, Ruptured Spring, and the list goes on. So the jury in the non-feature film category has another 6 members. So they are Atul Gangawar, director, screenwriter, and producer. And Mr. J. Badosa, Mr. Mandar Talulikar, filmmaker, Sri Sajan Babu, Sri Satish Pandey, and Vaijayanti Apte. Ma'am, I can't see you. Yeah, okay. And we have Jadumani Datta also on the stage. He's one of the jury members of the Indian Panorama. He's an ace filmmaker. He doesn't need any introduction, but still, and he's also an actor, I believe. You worked in Bengali films, is that correct? And he's made the film Pani, for which he acted and wrote the script too. Yeah. And his film Pani was featured at the 13th Dhaka International Film Festival in 2014. So this time, Bangladesh is our focus country and a friendly country. And so I'm so happy that you're here with us and on the dais too. So the jury members will tell us about the selected films of the Indian Panorama. And just to give you a little brief, Indian Panorama Feature Film Jury selected 20 feature films and 20 non-feature films in different languages in India. 3 mainstream feature films have been selected under the Indian Panorama section of the 51st International Film Festival of India by an internal committee of the DFF based on the recommendations of the Films Federation of India and Producers Guild. So these 3 films are Asuran in Tamil, directed by Vetri Maran, and Kapila in Malayalam, directed by Muhammad Mustafa, and Chichore by Nitesh Tiwari. Chichore, as you're all aware, had Sushant Singh Rajput in the lead role. And the jury's choice for the opening feature film of the Indian Panorama 2020 is the film Saad Ki Aankh, a film very close to my heart because it shows the women power in all its glory. And now it is over to the jury, starting with Mr. John Matthew Matten, Chairperson, Feature Films, to give his opening remarks, please.
Yeah. Hello. I think one should start by thanking the Government of India and the DFF for holding this event in this kind of pandemic crisis that we are undergoing. And I think this has been said, but the jury that we had this year for the Panorama was excellent, and they did a very good job in selecting these films. Each jury, there were 180 films, and it was divided into 45 films, with each panel consisting of 3 members. And they had to choose 15 films. Then we sat and saw 60 films together, all of us. And this was an enormous task. And I'm grateful to all of them for having invested their time and given these results, which I must say I'm very proud of the fact that there was no, it was a very democratic process, and it was unanimous in most cases. There was no dispute of any kind, and one was very happy with the results. So I hope people enjoy this section, and I'm grateful to everybody, including the DFF, for putting this up, and the government and the ministry. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. So now I can request Mr. Pavan Kapoor, the chairperson of the non-feature films, to address us.
Pavan Kumar, actually. Hi everyone. I will also like to congratulate Ministry of INB, NFDC, DFF Films Division for organizing this, historic 51st International Film Festival of India during these difficult times, and keeping cinema alive. Actually, it's very important for us, and I hope I hope I wish it all the best for this festival. For the non-feature section, actually we had around 143 films, and we selected 20 films. And I don't know. I mean, I've been part of many juries, but this was one of the best people. All the jury members, everything was so cool. I mean, I didn't knew. I mean, when we finished the screening, 143 films, and we never felt exhausted.
Okay.
By the end of the day,
wonderful.
we used to watch around 20 movies a day, more than 20 movies a day, and it was so fun working with all of them. And and only thing we had, we felt was strongly what we felt was documentary was missing. It was more non-feature. The short films were more, and unfortunately, I don't know, very few documentaries came for the. So when you see the list, but we try to kind of bring a balance. Even in the documentary thing also, because documentaries are also a very important part of it. And what we unanimously felt was, the term non-feature, if it can be changed into documentary and short films, because a lot of the documentaries, whatever documentaries we had, it was more than 100 minutes. Some of them were like more than 100 minutes long. So technically, if you see it, it's a feature-length documentary. So we thought that if we have requested the DFF to maybe, in future, if they can change the term to documentary and short films. We just had the screening opening film just now, and I hope you will enjoy the other films as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kumar. And now I invite Mr. Datta to give a few words.
First of all, thank you, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, for selecting me as a jury member for the third time to Indian Panorama and once for National Film Awards. I would congratulate my co-juries for helping in between us to make a best of the decision to select the best films of Indian Panorama, the 20 films which we have selected, and under the leadership of our chairman, John sir. So everything went very smoothly during our selection process, and it was in the time of pandemic when Ministry of Information called me to come as a jury this time. I was very much afraid to come to the jury members in Delhi. But it was very much comfortable in our place in Delhi, which I felt. And so I would thank to DFF also for giving such an opportunity to us. Thanks to all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Datta, for those words, and thank you for appreciating the efforts of the Government of India and DFF in organizing the film festival. And now I also invite questions from the media, if we have some of them.
I have a question for both the chairman.
Please identify yourself as well.
I am Ramnath Pai from Navin Times, the local daily.
Okay.
I think I need a mic here.
It's okay, you can use the mic so
Yeah.
that people at the back can hear.
Actually, okay, the question is because during the pandemic, the filmmaking, both the feature films and the short films, was reduced. Actually, it has come to a halt. Did you have to fall back on the old films like those produced in 2019? Or there were some recent films too?
The selection for this has been done by the DFF. Okay, we was told they are within the time frame, and the DFF will give you the exact information needed. So we did not have a choice in the selection of the films. We had a choice in the selection of the 20 films that are going to be screened. But the films that came, they are under certain regulations, which is the Government of India, as per the Directorate of Film Festivals, and they will give you the details.
I think whatever was made, it comes under a certain guidelines. There is a certain period which has to be, like maybe from August 31st to next year, August 3rd, September 1st or something like that. So during those period, whatever films comes, those films were qualified for the thing, for the Indian Panorama. And also it depends on the people sending. I think maybe if you look at the data, maybe, the films might be less. But I think, whatever it is, it's the best of Indian cinema this year, whatever it is,
So as Mr. Pavan Kumar says, it's the best of the Indian cinema, which was kind of, it was displayed for them to see, and finally they shortlisted 20 in the feature film category and the 20 in non-feature film category. Any other question that can you have? Please identify yourself.
Very good afternoon. This is Ajay from Bangalore. Just I wanted to compliment the jury because this is the first time we don't hear any complaints from the filmmakers who could not make it. So just I wanted to congratulate and compliment you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ajay. Any other question that we have? So there were a few questions which came online to us. If you permit, then we can ask. The first question to you, Mr. Kumar, as to You had about 143 films, they said. So a large number of films were there in the non-feature film category. So how could you kind of shortlist, and what was the criteria in shortlisting different films in different languages? How did you go about doing it?
See, it's as I said earlier, it's all about choosing the best of Indian cinema. So I think rather it was it's not like I've been part of national awards jury. You have certain categories, but what is interesting about Indian Panorama is you have to choose the best of the films. So the best films always stands out. So we have our internal marking system and all, how we deal with it. But it was all about choosing the best of Indian cinema and best of out of 143 films. So I think it easily, it stands out easily. So I think it was not that difficult that way, like national awards where you have different categories. But yeah, but we, as I said earlier, we thought there should have been more documentaries because I personally, I really want more documentaries to come.
A supplementary from my side, this is not from the online, but did you see that the nature of the non-film categories, I mean, and the kind of filmmakers which are participating, has that genre grown much more than what you have been into filmmaking for a long time?
Yeah, I can see a lot of young filmmakers, especially very few. I think very few. Senior filmmakers were there, but I think lot of young filmmakers are also. I think more than 60, 70 people were very new filmmakers. Who had applied with their films. But some of the senior filmmakers were there. Rakesh Sarmaji his film was there. Ahimsa, if I remember, Ahimsa was there. It's a very good film. Ramesh Sarmaji. Then Faraz film is also there. Yeah, so but we were very happy that a lot of young filmmakers are coming.
So more than 50% you
Yeah,
said that were from young filmmakers.
Yeah, maybe I'm wrong, but but we see a lot of young faces. Even the opening film is a very, very good, moving and very cinematic film, and it's done by a young filmmaker.
Another question for you, Mr. John Matthew.
Thank you.
Your choice for the opening film. What made you choose this particular film, Saar Ki Aankh?
I didn't choose. The jury chose.
The jury, I mean, you're representing the jury, sir.
Yeah, but I actually, that's what I said. We didn't have any disputes because it was up to the jury.
Yeah.
And I think it best represents the democracy that we have in this country. They chose. I just sat
Wonderful.
there and said, okay. I did not have to do much. The jury did all the work.
Okay, so what was the jury's view in deciding the film?
I think they chose the film for reasons. Each one may have a reason of his own why they chose the film. I did not ask anybody why they chose, but majority of them chose that film.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Sorry?
Yes. Yes. Please. Yeah.
So he said that whatever jury has decided, I didn't interfere and I went with them. So I'm telling you what jury thought about this film. This film has got a number of aspects of the film which touched the heart of the jury. First is the theme of the film itself, that a village where a woman is not supposed to go out of the home. So much restriction is there. And those women above the age of 60, which are seasoned, not to go out of their home at all. They go out of the home and win about 350 medals. So it's a great achievement, a great encouragement for not only the villagers, a village woman, but even for the women, those who are sitting in the in a city and a urban population. Secondly, the filmmaking part itself was so good. As you see the music of the film, the cinematography of the film, and the total editing and the script. So technically also, this film was a very beautiful film. At the end of the film, when the last shot, there is a dance, and the dance of rejoicement of the entire family, in which had initial differences. At the end, they are together, and the director has done a very beautiful thing. At the end, he has brought the actual dadis and being a part of the of the system, and the movie ends with a very positive and a dancing mode.
Thank you so much, sir. Ma'am Rama, you wanted to say
I
something.
told you that I had a very good jury. Because this particular aspect, there are various things in the film to be praised. One is, I like the idea of the so-called stars in the film working on a film like this. They took a lot of effort, and some people had some comments like they don't look old enough at 60. Today, women at 60 don't look 60; they look younger, all of them. So the makeup was not a big criteria, you know. So and there are various aspects to the film which are realistic and a lot of things to be praised. And I was very happy that the film was chosen, but I didn't want to express myself so much because I had a jury that did it openly. So thank you.
Ma'am, you wanted to speak something about women empowerment. Would you like to add?
Why I selected, I said it's a women's empowerment. That's the first thing.
Fantastic.
It's a quite an encouraging film for the women and in the sports. And the ladies who did the part, and they actually did it in their real life. And I think that was a pretty good job. So that was a story itself was quite interesting and motivated. And
बिल्कुल सही कहा, बिल्कुल सही
that's
कहा.
yeah, so that was the beauty of it, actually. That was the beauty. Rest of the things, he said it all.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
कला मास्टर आप प्लीज बोलिए थोड़ा सा बोलिए. संगमित्रा जी आप भी बोलिए कुछ प्लीज. Yes, certainly when you
Yes.
have a women anchor.
This is women empowerment. So this was a great time we had watching movies and watching different type of movies and from different corners of India. And Shan Ki Aag is one of the films where which portrayed the parda system. Like still women were behind the parda and they were not allowed to speak in the family. Even they were the workers. They were whole day they were working, and after that they were not treated properly. And finally these dadis and they came out to help the young group. So it's definitely something very, very encouraging for the society. And even I know in different parts of India still this kind of an environment is there. And that's why the film was appreciated a lot. There were other films too, like we have selected some of the films which are very, very contemporary, and the ideas are great, and making, especially the newcomers, the debutant directors have done a wonderful job. And filmmaking is something which needs a lot of passion, and that passion has been portrayed in the films. And I believe that all the viewers who come and they'll watch the films and they'll enjoy as much as we did. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sangamitra ji. Would you like to also add, Kala Master ji? Thoda boliye, please.
It's a really very good movie. It's a ladies' subject. I love this movie, and camera, technician, all technicians and new directors and actors, and everything is really fantastic movie for women.
थैंक यू सो मच. जादूमणि जी हमारे साथ स्टेज पे हैं. आप भी जूरी मेंबर थे इस फिल्म के लिए.
Actually, the film was selected democratically, so everybody liked the film. I too liked the effort of the film.
Thank you so much. Do we have any more questions?
That's the major.
So when it comes to women, it's always unanimous. Yeah.
Can you tell, maybe Atulji might can say something about the non-features?
Okay, please Atul ji, कुछ हमें non-feature film के बारे में बताइए. The selection that you had for the opening film.
कई बार क्या होता है कि कुछ विषय ऐसे होते हैं कि जो बिल्कुल सहज रूप से स्वीकार्य होते हैं, और मुझे लगता है कि हम लोग जब जूरी में बैठे थे तो अपरिचित से लोग थे, लेकिन हम सबकी एक समझ सबकी बराबर थी सिनेमा के बारे में. हम लोग उसमें सब एक मत थे कि कैसी फिल्में सेलेक्ट करनी है, किस तरीके के विषय होने हैं। और जैसा पवन जी ने कहा भी कि जो फिल्में सेलेक्ट हुई हैं वो अलग से पहले से ही दिख रही थी कि वो आगे जा सकती हैं। और ओपनिंग फिल्म जो है उसकी जो सादगी थी, सिंप्लिसिटी, और एक जिस तरीके से उसका फिल्मांकन था और जिस तरीके से उसका विषय का चयन था, तो मुझे लगता है कि हम सभी सातों लोगों ने उसके बारे में कोई दूसरा थॉट था ही नहीं कि ओपनिंग फिल्म कौन सी होगी। तो इस तरीके से चयन हुआ, एक बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा और सिनेमा ने हम सबको साथ लेकर आया। और मुझे लगता है कि जो आप लोग जब ये फिल्में देखेंगे, दर्शक देखेंगे, तो कहीं ना कहीं उन फिल्मकारों की मेहनत भी आपको दिखेगी और आपको अच्छा लगेगा, ऐसा मेरा मानना है। थैंक यू।
सुरेश जी।
Suresh ji, please.
Satish Pandey. It was a very good experience. First time, I was there for 5 years as a preview committee, but first time this experience was as a panorama. And within few days, the whole 7 of us are a family together. और हम आगे देखते थे यार, ये अच्छी फिल्म, कोई अच्छी फिल्म आ जाए, आज 2-3 फिल्में देखी, चौथी फिल्म अच्छी आ जाएगी। तो मतलब भूखे थे हम लोग अच्छी फिल्म देखने के लिए, और बहुत सारी फिल्में हमें अच्छी देखने को मिली और बहुत मज़ा आया इस बारी। टुगेदरनेस, वी रियली वर्कड हार्ड टुगेदर। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much. Any more questions, or should I conclude? So, best of the Indian cinema, the Indian panorama, and we are extremely grateful for all of you to be here. Indian films, it unites us together, it bonds us together. There is so much of amalgamation of the brilliance, the acting, the language, the cinematography, and everything which unites India in whatever diversity we have. It's all brilliantly displayed in the films that we have. Thank you so much, jury members, and thank you for being here and talking to us and talking to your audience. Thank you, and best wishes for IFFI. Thanks.